Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new plus size try on haul. This one is going to be from a new brand that, it's new to me. The website has been around for a while. The website is lightinthebox.com. And if you've never heard of them, they are a global online retailer that carries all types of things. They carry plus size fashion, straight sizes, they carry wedding dresses, home decor, men's fashion, shoes, accessories, handbags, jewelry, you name it, they carry it. They have all types of cool things on their site. It's super cool. They have so many items. And they recently reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try some of their summer dresses. And I was all for it because, you know, I love a good dress. And yeah, I needed some new summer outfits anyways. So they did go ahead and send me about, I want to say like 6 pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and try on for you. And yeah, if you've never heard of them, they've been around, I believe, since like 2007. So they have been around for a while, and they have a huge collection of items. Their shipping was really fast. Their customer service is great, and I'm just loving these items that they sent. They are like an international, you know, anytime you order from like an international site, I always say to like check the sizing. I prefer sometimes when I order from international sites, I like to size up rather than down. So I always recommend that you check the sizing and make sure that it's like between your measurements. But my personal preference is I always like to size up rather than down when ordering from a website like this that's like a global website, only because I want to make sure that it's consistent with like US sizes. But other than that, I have no complaints. They have some really cute pieces. And yes, everything will be linked in the description box below. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nora, and I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to keep this video short and sweet. I'm not going to take too long, and I'm not going to lift the items up like I normally do. I find like it's just easier to just show you the item wearing it than lift it, and then it's like I'm doing it twice. So I rather just show you the item while I'm wearing it. There's some really cute pieces that are perfect for summer, and I'm super excited to wear these. They have some really nice styles. So yeah, make sure you check them out. Their website is lightinthebox.com. It's a very peculiar name, but it's pretty cool. It's different. And all of the links will be below. And if they do happen to have any type of discount code, once I hear back from them tomorrow, I'll go ahead and link it also in the description if there's any type of discount code or anything like that for you. So yeah, let's go ahead and try these on. Let me know in the comments below what other brands you would like to see me haul from, and also which dress was your favorite. These are perfect for summer. For reference, I typically wear a 3X, 4X, depending on the brand and the style. For these in particular, I believe all of these I ordered in I believe all of these were a 4X. So some of them might run a little smaller, some of them might run a little larger. It just literally depends on the style. I typically always like to size up at least by one size. So yeah, all of these are a 4X. And if just let me know in the comments below which one you like the most. And all right, so let's go ahead and try these on.